In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Wise account to Etsy. To get started, open your browser and search for Wise. When the results appear, click the official Wise website. Make sure you're selecting the correct link so you're signing in on the real platform and not a lookalike page. Once you're on Wise, log into your account. Depending on your session or security settings, you may be prompted to log in again or complete an extra verification step. That's normal, so just follow the prompts until you reach your account dashboard. After you're in, select the balance for the currency you want to get paid in. This is important because Etsy payments need to match the account details for the currency you plan to receive, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds. Inside that balance, click on the Account Details tab. This is where Wise shows the banking information you'll need, like the routing number, account number, or IBAN, depending on the currency. Keep this screen open or carefully copy the numbers down somewhere secure. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake in one digit can cause payment issues later. If you're copying the details manually, double-check each number before moving on. Next, open Etsy and log into your seller profile. Once you're signed in, go to Shop Manager, then select Finances. From there, click on Payment Settings. This section is where you manage the bank account connected to your Etsy shop for payouts. Now locate your bank details area and click Update or choose Add a bank account if you haven't connected one yet. When the bank information fields appear, enter the Wise routing and account numbers exactly as they appear in your Wise account. If your setup uses an IBAN instead, enter that exactly as shown. Be careful not to add extra spaces, switch digits, or use details from the wrong currency balance. Once everything has been entered, save the changes. After saving, Etsy may take a moment to process the update, and in some cases, it may ask you to confirm the account information before it becomes active. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. Your Wise account should now be connected to Etsy for receiving payouts. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review the Save Bank details one more time after updating them, just to make sure everything matches your Wise account exactly. This helps avoid delays and ensures your Etsy payments go to the right place.